Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to disable Ask before closing multiple tabs Firefox browser Windows 10. So how to disable Ask before closing multiple tabs Firefox browser Windows 10. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Firefox browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Firefox browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this. And tap the Settings menu. Now here it is in the Settings menu. Enter the General menu. Now here it is in the General menu. Scroll down to find the Tabs menu. Now next. Tap Ask before closing multiple tabs. This feature allows users to disable warnings when closing multiple tabs in Firefox on Windows 10, so that tabs can be closed faster without confirmation. Important data or tabs. So that's it, tutorial how to disable Ask before closing multiple tabs Firefox browser Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.